and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. Today I have one DIY to share with you, and it is a decorative tray. I absolutely love it. I wanted to show you guys the ease of making some of these DIYs with just a few items that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart. Really, everything that I got could easily come from the Dollar Tree. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick video of something that could literally just elevate a space in your house for decor. And as always, if you enjoy this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up because it definitely helps out my channel. If you have not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so you don't miss an upload. And also, I always forget, follow me on Instagram at DIYwithAmber because I post all of the DIYs that I do some other things. My stories are really fun, and I just really want to have some fun over there with you guys. And I want you guys to tag me on stuff that either you've been inspired by me or you want me to make, or just something just to have fun. It's a little bit more personal touch over there, and I really enjoy talking and hanging out with you guys. So go ahead and do that too. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I picked up this summer tray from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and paint this white. You can paint this any color you want, but I wanted my base color to be white because I feel like it goes with any decor. Now I did 2 coats of this white, and this is what it turned out to look like. This is white chalk paint, if I didn't say that already. Next, I'm taking my Truffle chalk paint, and I'm going to go ahead and start dry brushing it on here. So I'm only using these 2 paint colors. Pretty simple technique, dry brushing. I have a paintbrush that kind of is the shape of like a fan. So I got these really cool streaks in my paint. Really like it. I took a little bit more paint to distress some of the edges a little bit more, and this is what it looks like, and I absolutely loved it. I probably could have used a little bit more of that truffle paint, but I love how it turned out. Next, you're going to take some nautical rope. I actually got this from Amazon a little while ago and haven't used it yet. It's a lot thinner than the nautical rope that would be at Dollar Tree, but if you use the Dollar Tree one, all you need is 1 rope. So here you can see I am hot gluing 2 pieces together after I measured it out to see what a handle size would be. So I'm just hot gluing them together so I have a thicker rope to act as my handle. And then I measured it to see where I needed to hot glue it down to the back side. When I do flip it over, you just hot glue it down to that flap part on the back. I'm also hot gluing a little bit on the edge so that way the handles stand up properly. I had a little trouble doing this because I was really impatient trying to get this done in a couple of hours before my son woke up from his nap. So I just had to hot glue it a little bit more. And then I took some white paint and I'm rubbing it on this rope right here. You can barely see it. It's not a lot, but that's what I did to just give it a little bit more character. Next, I took a little piece of that rope as well and tied it in a knot, cut down as close to the knot as I could so I can get the effect that this rope is actually being knotted through the tray. I see a lot of trays like this, a lot of glass pieces, and I really like the way this looks. So I'm going to do this on a few other projects as well. And then once that's done, you do the other side. These beads actually also came from Amazon. I've had them for a couple of weeks, just haven't had to use them yet because I've still been using my Walmart beads, but I have these bigger ones. They're like 25 millimeters, I believe that's the size, and I'm going to hot glue 2 together. So I'm going to do 4 feet on the tray, but I wanted a little bit more height on them, so I'm doing 2 together. Then I just hot glue those down to each of those 4 corners, to the very edge of that corner, and this is what it looks like. It is so nice, you guys. I love this. So simple, so easy. Everything you can get from the Dollar Tree. Even if you don't have chalk paint, you can use acrylic paint for this. All right, dolls, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this super simple decorative tray DIY. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.